Hello, friends! Today we're going to make a very special drawing to celebrate Easter. In many countries, like the United States, kids go on a fun hunt for eggs filled with candy and chocolates. It's such an exciting tradition. In this video, we'll draw a beautiful basket full of colorful surprise eggs. What colors and wishes do you think our eggs will have? Stay with me until the end to find out and have fun drawing along. Let's get started. As you can see, I already sketched the eggs inside the basket. First, we drew the handle, and now I'm adding the side of the basket. Here, I'll add one more egg and we'll draw slowly so it turns out nice. Now let's make some lines on the basket's edge to shape it better. I'll also add some ruffles to make it look delicate and pretty. Remember, you can make your lines however you like. Use your imagination. With a thicker black marker, we'll go over the lines to make the drawing stand out. See how it's starting to take shape? I'll also add some small lines to make the basket look like it's woven from bamboo. And there it is! Our basket is ready. Time to decorate the eggs. I'll add different designs. One egg with circles, another with stripes and lines, one with wavy patterns, another with triangles, and the last one with crazy lines using my imagination. You can create any designs you like. Now comes the most exciting part: coloring. I'll use a brown color for the basket and a soft pastel brown for the ruffle, like a little piece of fabric. Now, let's color the eggs. Red for the first one. Pastel green for the second. Pastel pink for the third. Orange for the fourth. Dark purple and pastel purple for the fifth. Yellow for the sixth. Very light green for the seventh. A beautiful light blue for the 7th. Look how beautiful it turned out. Which color is your favorite? If you had fun drawing with me, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.